Schools are busy putting their reopening plans into action and responding to the governor's newest requirements. Those include hosting discussion sessions with parents to answer last-minute questions. Kayla Green joining us now live from Gananda schools. Kayla, how's it going out there?
Adam, the superintendent here tells me they've already held 7 discussions with parents and they plan to hold more next week. He says they've been getting a lot of questions about cleaning protocols, so he walked me through the elementary building right here earlier today to tell me how they're preparing for every possibility. Students in pre-K through 5th grade in the Gananda School District will be returning to school 5 days a week in person. They'll stay in the same classroom all day and teachers will come to them. Grades 6 through 12 will be in person 2 days a week and remote for 3. Shawn VanScoy is the superintendent in the Gananda School District and says cleaning will happen throughout each day and every night.
We already go through every classroom as it is, and we clean the surfaces of every desk, every whiteboard, door handles. We do that with cleaner every night. On top of that, we're going to be using electrostatic sprayers that will also add additional level of germ killing.
How temperature checks will be done is another big question he's getting from parents.
Thermal cameras will take temperature readings of every student as they enter the building, at each of the buildings. It will take a picture of that student and send it to the nurse. The nurse will then retrieve that student and do a more complete assessment if there's a child with a temperature greater than 100 degrees.
If a child has symptoms, they'll be sent to the COVID-19 room. VanScoy says parents were asked to complete a survey by last night, telling the district whether they plan to send their kids back in person or are opting for complete remote learning. He says now that they have this information, they can start putting together schedules for the older students and figuring out where to place staff in all grades.
There will be teachers that are teaching only remotely, particularly at the elementary school. So we anticipate having sections of students that are remote because they've chosen that. And so there will be teachers that will try to match up with their needs. We have teachers who are unable to come back because of medical issues.
He also says they've hired 7 long-term building-based substitutes to make sure that they can cover all those teachers who won't be able to come back. He also tells me he has a meeting with the Wayne County Health Department this week to discuss more specifics about the district's plan. Live in Gananda, Kayla Green, News 8.